Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. This is the Christmas December box, not Christmas box, the December box. It's just because Christmas is December. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's £10 a month plus postage. You can get it cheaper if you do like a 12-month plan that you can do now as a rolling thing. I do have a discount code which I'll link for you guys. This is sent to me in PR from Glossybox because they're awesome and I love them, and I'm very thankful. But all opinions are my own. This is version 1. I never remember to say that and everybody always asks me. So this is version 1. Let's just get inside and see. Pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. Looks like a box of chocolates, doesn't it? I like it. Let's get in and see what's inside. So this is the Merry Metallics box. Merry Metallics. The January sneak peek is a BYBI Beauty's Strawberry Booster. Ooh. Filled with essential omega fatty acids and rich ellagic acid. It soothes, nourishes and hydrates your skin for their flawless. I woke up looking like this fabulous, and that is a little bottle there. Right, so it says, oh, I'm just scanning what it is. It looks good. Merry Christmas Glossies. The festive routine season is the perfect excuse to add a touch of glitz and glamour to your beauty routine. That's why our special design Merry Metallics edit is filled with 5 full-size radiance boosting products that will have you twinkling from head to toe. Better yet, our box features all the lustrous makeup you need to get glammed up this December, including glittery eyeshadow, shimmery powder and fluttery eyelashes, so you can be the belle of the ball. So let's have a look. Oh, they're pretty. Okay, I'm just getting the eyelashes out first because they're really pretty. They're La Splash or LA Splash Cosmetics Golden Gatsby 3D Foam Ink Lashes. These are $9.75. They're really pretty. Really nice. Very light, but nice and fluttery and long. They're really nice. No Christmas party look is complete without long and flirty lashes. Luckily, you can channel your inner 1920s flapper girl with these luxurious, cruelty-free false lashes. And it will create a glamorous look that will really enhance your eyes. So that's awesome. It's always nice to get lashes. Next up is a shower gel. And this is Sweet Rhubarb and Raspberry Original Sauce. I love Original Sauce. I'm currently using like a mandarin orange one that just smells amazing. Let's have a little snifter of this. Oh, that smells lovely. Really smells nice. £2.30. Versing with 4 essential oils. This fruity shower gel will give you glowing skin for the festive season. As an added bonus, it's manufactured using 100% renewable energy and it's packaged in a recyclable bottle, while also being paraben free and vegan. It smells like rhubarb crumble. So who doesn't want to smell like rhubarb crumble? I know I do. What are you, little box? Oh, we've got Steve Laurent loose powder. This is a loose powder pigment. £14.60. Steve Laurent always has beautiful packaging, like the rose gold. Let's have a little look. Yeah, more rose gold inside. What you expect. Really pretty. This is rose gold. Really pretty little pot. Fox is in there. He's grumpy. Ben's in there with him as well. I'm not just like neglecting the child, because that would be mean. Are you going to come out? How do we get you out? Get out of my... Wait. I've got, my nails are too long. I can't. Get out. Oh, Christ on a cracker. I did it wrong, but I did it. Let's just smear a bit on my hand and put the lid back on before I spilled a lot. Let's have a look. Oh, it's pretty. It is rose gold. It's kind of like a peachy rose gold. You can't really see it on my very pale skin, but it's got a nice shimmer to it on that finger. Really pretty. So that says glittery multi-purpose pigment powder boosts a highly pigmented formula that will allow you to create endless dazzling party looks. You can either sweep the powder across your whole eyelid for a shimmery look, use a wet eyeliner brush to put along your lash line for a delicate touch of glamour, or put on your cheekbones for a highlight. That's probably what I'd use it for, to be honest. Next up, we've got Bella Pierre, and it is Liquid Shadow Eye Candy. This is £20. Highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow allows you to build a dazzling makeup design in just one sweep. Ooh. Ooh, I think it's called Venus. I'm your Venus. I don't know the words. Ooh, again, it's like a rose goldy colour. Let's have a look. Oh, that's lovely. I love a liquid eyeshadow. I would totally put this on my lips as well. I'm not sure how it would dry, but I would wear it on my lips. Really, look at that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I'm just gonna put it on as highlighter as well. You can see Ben wandering around the background. God knows what he's doing. Oh my God, that is very iridescent. Very, very iridescent. Very pretty, I like that. And then the last thing is a big old fat tube of Iconista Lash Millionizer Volume Mascara. Nothing says glitz and glamour quite like long. Oh, it's by Catrice. By combining Catrice's iconic Lash Millionizer brush with deep black creamy formula. This mascara instantly creates a dramatic clump-free look. Wriggle it through your lashes, and it's $4.99 full size. I'll put some on now because I've got no mascara on, but I'm going to use the viewfinder as my mirror, which probably isn't going to work very well. Oh, look at that! Da, da, da. Oh, look at that compared to one eye to the other. That's amazing. Oh, that's well good. I like it. Let's do the other one so I don't look extra weird. It's like a weird brush. But it does the job, doesn't it? Crumbs. Oh, that's my gormless face, is everyone when they do mascara. Gormless face. Just me? Okay. Fine. One coat. I like it. I think that's a really lovely box. There is nothing in it that I wouldn't use. I don't even know what my favourite thing is. I think that is amazing. This is amazing. They're amazing. It's all. I like all of it. I'm not even going to pretend that I don't, because I do. I think it's lovely. The thing I'll probably use the least would be this, but I think I'll use it as a highlighter. My only issue is the fact that it's loose, and I just make such a mess. I mean, you saw how much effort it was for me to get that out of there. I just tend to make a lot of mess with loose powders, but that is my issue. That's not Steve's fault. Steve is fine. So yeah. If you like these videos, please give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway on Instagram that ends in 3 days on the 10th, so you can still go and enter that one. My YouTube giveaway is going to start on the 10th, and then it will be running until Christmas Day, and I will draw it on Christmas Day, so someone will get an extra present, or know they're getting an extra present on Christmas Day. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.